What we're going to do today is we're going to solve the following systems of equation by graphing. In order to do that, we're going to have to write both equations in slope-intercept form, which require us to solve for y. So I'm going to go ahead and write x plus 2y equals 5. So what I'm going to have to do first is I'm going to have to subtract x from both sides. And you notice that x minus x is 0, and we're left with 2y equals. And then we have to subtract these two, but since they're different, we're just going to go ahead and leave it as negative x plus 5. You notice that the y is being multiplied by 2. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to divide each side by 2. So we have y is equal to negative x over 2 plus 2.5. So I'm going to identify the slope, and the slope is negative 1 over 2. The y-intercept is equal to 2.5. The other equation is 3x minus 15 is equal to negative 6y. And you notice that we have the y on the right side, so all we have to do is divide by negative 6. And negative 6 divided by negative 6 is y. And you notice we have 3 over negative 6, or 3 over negative 6. So what we're going to do is we're going to simplify. And you notice your equation is negative x over 2. And here, it's going to be positive 15 divided by 6 will be 2.5. So the slope is negative 1 over 2. The y-intercept is equal to 2.5. So let's go ahead and graph that. So the first equation, the y-intercept was 2.5. So I'm going to go up 2.5. And then I'm going to apply the slope. I'm going to go down 1 since it's negative, and then go 2 to the right. Go down 1 since it's negative, and I'm going to go 2 to the right. And I'm going to repeat that process. And I can also go up 1 and over 2. Connect the points. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to graph the second equation. You notice that the y-intercept is 2.5, and the slope is also negative 1/4. So it's actually the same line, and we have infinite amount of solutions.